Growing a successful business in today's fast-paced world requires more than just hard work. It demands creativity and smart strategies. Imagine unlocking your company's true potential with methods that not only captivate your audience but also drive substantial growth. In this video, you will learn 7 proven strategies to grow your business. 1. Leverage micro-influencers for niche markets. Micro-influencers may not have millions of followers, but their audiences are highly engaged and trust their recommendations. Collaborate with influencers who align with your brand values to reach your target market. Their authentic, relatable content can increase your brand's visibility and credibility. Focus on micro-influencers with 5,000 to 50,000 followers for a cost-effective and powerful marketing boost. 2. Create a garnered customer loyalty program. Make loyalty rewarding and fun by gamifying your customer experience. Instead of traditional rewards programs, design interactive features like earning points, unlocking badges, or competing in challenges. This encourages customers to stay engaged and return more often. Use apps to simplify the process and track progress, offering exclusive rewards, early access to new products, or special discounts for active participants. 3. Launch a viral video marketing campaign. Viral content can propel your brand into the spotlight overnight. Create videos that are entertaining, shareable, and meaningful. Humor, emotion, and storytelling are key to sparking interest. Think about using funny skits, impactful stories, or trending challenges to engage your audience. Optimize your content for social media platforms, add catchy hooks, and encourage viewers to share. 4. Host an experiential pop-up event. Pop-up events are an innovative way to provide an unforgettable experience for your customers. These temporary shops or workshops can generate buzz and give your audience a chance to engage with your brand physically. Think creatively about the theme, activities, or exclusive product launches. Leverage social media to promote your event and attract attendees. 5. Collaborate with non-competing local businesses. Form strategic partnerships with local businesses that complement your brand. For example, a gym could collaborate with a health smoothie bar. These alliances expand your reach and create mutual growth opportunities. Co-host events, offer joint promotions, or bundle services together for a shared audience. 6. Invest in personalized email marketing automation. Email marketing remains one of the most effective channels, but personalization takes it to the next level. Use automation tools to send tailored content based on customer behavior preferences and interactions. From personalized birthday offers to product recommendations, automation saves time while delivering relevant messages. And number 7, use augmented reality for interactive product demos. AR technology can transform the customer experience by providing interactive product previews. Let customers try on products virtually or view how furniture would look in their home. This tech enhances decision-making and engages users in an immersive way. Fashion, beauty, and home decor brands especially benefit from this innovation. Which of these strategies will you implement first? Comment below and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more business growth tips. Thank you for watching.